Hi everyone, welcome to Last Minute Coders. My name is Vinay. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to make second part of this service desk project that we have created last month. So I was not planning to make a second part of this. I thought I have completed everything. Though in this video I said I'll create a second part, but I have provided the code in the description. Let me just show you. If you would have gone to the description, here I have provided the code, so you can see I have also written, like in app on start property, you have to write this collection code. There is another collection code. So this is the data source that I was using, a local collection we were using. And then this is the gallery data source property code. So in the above in this video I just shown you how to filter like all items in progress, on hold, close and new. Not shown you how to filter like here in our app we have this ticket older than 3 days, ticket open today, ticket closed today. So I haven't shown you like how we can do this, how we can filter this data, but in the description I have provided the code. That day itself I provided this code. So you could just simply copy this code and paste it in data source, gallery data source property, and like these filters would have worked for you. Okay, but yeah, reason for like making this video again is most of you are saying that instead of using collection as a data source, use SharePoint as a data source. Because you guys were saying like why like these tickets are coming whenever we are refreshing, why only like 1 2 3 4 5 these 6 tickets are coming, and previously we have created like tickets where those tickets were going. Okay, so since this is a local database, right, collection is a local database, it is not a cloud database. So for this session only, like the data was like, let me just create some dummy data. Okay, create task. Let's say now I have this ticket as well, right? But if I'll refresh my app, so this is also one issue, like all tickets were like blank. Okay, so we will fix this issue. I know this is the issue. And if I go up here, where is my seventh ticket? That is gone. So that will not show. Reason being, because we were not saving it to like let's say we were not saving it to some cloud database. Okay, we were saving it in collection. So collection, every time what is happening, like this code is running every time. So only like these 6, you can see like these 6 items will be created. Firstly they will clear the collection, and then these 6 items were created. So on one session, whatever you do, once the app is refreshed, the app will reset. Okay, so the app was resetting. So one issue was this. Other issue, let me just show you. Let me edit like these record. Let me change it to on hold and click on save. So this is also not working. So another issue is this. So 2 issue I found. Okay, one is this, the data is not updating. Okay, data is not updating, and initially when you like come to this app, this all items were not showing up. Okay, so today firstly we will fix these 2 issues, then we will look into how we can use SharePoint as a data source, and we will connect a SharePoint list in our project, and we will use SharePoint list instead of collection. Okay, so we will do that. And there were some comment like additional features you were saying, like let's add email that will notify. If I have time, I'll definitely like implement this one. And thank you so much for all your comment. Yeah, I've read most of like this. Whenever I refresh, the tool tickets are gone. Yeah, so yeah, we will fix this. So, and most of you are saying that waiting for second part. So sorry about it. I thought like I have provided everything and the app was running fine, so I was not planning to make a second video. So the first issue is this one. Okay, when we refresh the app, all tickets were not showing up. Reason being very simple. The reason is very simple. Okay, let me move to screen number 1. Let me click on this collection, this gallery, go to its data source. So see how we are filtering the data. We are saying, we are using this switch. We are saying when where current status is all. Okay, so this where current status initially will be blank, but initially we have to define it. Okay, so here what we have to do is not this one, we have to set where current status, we have to set it to all. Okay, once we like do like this, once we like set it to all, Okay, and click on run app on start. If I go, let's say if I go to on hold, right, and here if I come run app on start, so see all tickets are like coming up here, even though it is not changing up here, but yeah, all tickets are coming up here. Now let me head over to this play mode. Let me refresh the app. Let's little bit wait. This issue is fixed. Okay, now I'm seeing all the tickets, new tickets, ticket in progress, ticket on hold, closed, older than 3 days, all are older than 3 days, open today. This let me add one ticket quickly. Let me just add one ticket open today, so I'm seeing in this, so this filter is also working. So this we have done. Okay, next issue is whenever we are clicking up here and we are trying to save, so there is this error. Okay, so I'm getting one error. So the error is, it is saying the type of this argument date close doesn't match with accepted type object null, found data type date time data type it is founding. So why this issue? If I go to app on start property, here if you see, right, I'm just providing it blank. This date close, I'm providing it blank. Instead of this, I should have provided like this, date value then blank. Okay, if I do like this, right, let me just copy this thing and I have to paste it like all the places. Now this issue will be fixed. Okay, now this issue will be fixed. For all six values I have to fix this. I'll provide this code again in the description. I'm saying I'll provide this code. If you don't want to use SharePoint as a data source, you just want like to use this collection, I'll provide this code in the description. Okay, let me save this. Okay, let's first test it here. So this is ticket number 1. Let's change it to on hold. Let's click on save. So see, on hold number is 1. This initially was 5, now it is 4. In progress is 1. So I go to on hold. So see, Wi-Fi not working is on hold. You can see the ticket number. So yeah, now it is working. If I go up here, if I do closed, and if I click on save, so see, now hold is 0, closed is 1. Go to close and you can see up here. Okay, and if I go up here, I can't edit. Once it is closed, we can't edit it. Okay, so that we have done in the last video. So once like this is fixed, here I'll publish this version. So let me just show you what all things we did. We have added firstly the set where current status to all here. Then we have changed this blank to date value. These are the only 2 things we did. Okay, I'll provide this whole code in the description. Please see the description, and you can copy this code and directly paste it in app on start property, this whole code. Then this gallery code, this data source code also I'll provide. These are the 3 filters. If you don't understand like these things, see, very simple. Here what I am filtering is, first of all, I am filtering this cold ticket, this collection tickets. I am saying date diff will just subtract like today's date minus when it is being created. Okay, so if it is greater than equal to 3, and why I am using this absolute function. So if it is minus, if the number is in minus, so it will be always in positive, and if the number is in positive, it will be in positive. Okay, so that is what absolute do. So date diff, now today's date minus like when it was created. Okay, so let's say if it was created on 8th, so 10 minus 8 is 2 days, right? So 2 is greater than 3, no, right? So that I will not show there. Okay, show in this one, this older than 3. Okay, the ticket that is being created today, I will not see that ticket. The ticket which I have created on 9, I will not see the ticket. The ticket which I have created on 8, I will not see the ticket. But the ticket which I have created on 7, I will see the ticket. And prior to this date, whatever ticket I have created, I will see up here. Okay, so this is what this filter is doing. Next filter are again the same. Again, if you see up here, if ISN now minus date created, that is 0. If they are equal to 0, just filter that. Okay. And here also, here I am saying date created for open today, and date closed for this, closed today. Simple. Again, I'll provide this code in the description. You can simply copy paste it. Okay, so this is done. Now let's create SharePoint as a data source. So here, so firstly, let's for this we will use collection only. We will not create a SharePoint list for this cold ticket types, because there is no need for this. But for this cold tickets we have to create. So I'll go up here to my SharePoint site. Initially you will be on home. Firstly, go to site content. Okay, once you go to site content, click on new list. I'll say blank list. Okay, I'll say give my table name as TBL tickets. Okay, and do not show in site navigation. Create. Okay, let's wait. And one column is title. I'll not touch this column. The best practice is do not change the name of this column. Don't do anything with this column. Okay, just create a new column with the type number. Hit on next. Instead of ID, I'll say index ID, because ID is automatically created for us. Okay, and I'll click on save. ID is done. Next column is, let me just quickly go up here and see department assigned to subject. So department can be a text type column. Okay, department it can be a choice type column. Okay, so let me make a choice type column instead of this. Okay, instead of text I'll say department, and whatever department I have, let's say if I have IT department, if I have HR department, I can simply like do like this, facilities. Okay, another department, if you have like management. Okay, so you can add all the departments up here. So these are the choice type column. Now let us see what all columns we have. We have assigned to, we have comment, we have subject. So again, assigned to can be a person type column, but in my case, in my Office 365 only I am the user. There are no other users. So that is the reason why I'll use this text type column. Okay, so I'll say assigned to. Okay, this is done. Single line, well and good. Now we have one column called comment. Okay, so it should be a multi-line text. I'll click on next and I'll say comment, and see this type is multi-line text. I'll click on save. Now what else column? I have subject, description. So again, I'll go to add column, this text. I'll say subject, but subject can be big, right? So I need to change it to multi-line text, and yeah, save it. Again, a description, for description you can use this multi-line text. Again, description, multi-line text. Let me see, description is there. Status, priority. Okay, then we have again, status should be a choice column, right? Status, what all status I have let me see what all status I am giving. In progress, new. Okay, in one first is new, then I have one called in progress. The spelling should be correct. Okay, in progress, on hold. One is I think closed. Okay, I'll go to my app to check this, right? Let me just go up here and see. In progress, on hold, closed. Okay, the spelling should be correct. So once like this is done, I'll hit on save. Have one column called priority, that is also a choice column. So priority is low. Let me go up here and let me just see. LOW, medium, high. Okay, medium, and the third one is high. That is the choices. and here I'll give the name as priority. Okay, anyways, done. What all columns do I have? Do I have any other column? Date created, date closed, and who's the owner. Again, owner can be a person type, but I'm making text. So owner. Okay. Date time, I can use this date time. So date created, I'll say date created. So see, it is a date time. If you want to include time, you have to enable this. I'm not enabling the time, I just need date. Okay, so I'll hit on save, and the last column is this date close. Okay, simple. So this is done. Okay, we have created this schema. Okay, so one column is title, just ignore this column. Then we have index ID department assigned to comment subject description. So I was saying, right, we have index column with us. So if you click on the show or hide column, if you hit on this ID, see the ID is there, who created, who modifies. So I didn't have to, I have to create this owner. So whosoever created, right, that will be the owner. But anyways, we have created, we have this attachment also. If you wanted to save attachment related to this ticket, we can have this attachment feature on. I'll click on apply. So see, these columns are inbuilt. We haven't created this column, but these like columns are inbuilt, and there are other columns as well. Okay, other usually we don't use, we only use this ID modified, created by, modified by, and this attachments. Okay, very well and good. Now if you want, you can just add one row of data up here, and if you don't want, don't add. Okay, let's not add, otherwise you will say why like one row of data is coming up here. So let's not add. I'll go to data section. I'll click on add data. Firstly, this list I've created, right? So I need to add this list here also. I'll hit on connector. If you are not seeing SharePoint up here, just go up, type SharePoint. Okay, and click on your SharePoint, select your connection. So I'll select my connection. If you haven't added any connection, right, again I'll search for SharePoint. Let me just show you how to add like connection as well. Add connection, and here see connect cloud directly. Click, hit on connect, and just wait for a few sec. Okay, if you are not seeing your site name up here, right, so what you need to do is just go up here before this list, just copy this part. Okay, paste it up here, hit on connect, and here see I'm seeing all the list. Okay, so just select your list. In our case, our list is this table ticket. I'll hit on connect, and this list will be added up here. Okay, very simple steps. So our list, once this list is added up here, I'll go to this data section and see app on start. Previously I was using this say this cold tickets, right, which was good actually. But now this whole thing, right, this whole thing, instead of what I'll do is I'll just use multi-line comment. Okay, and I'll close up here. I'll say clear collect. Again, cold tickets, I'll create one. But see, this time what I'll do, cold tickets its name was, but this time instead of like this whole thing, it is asking item, I'll just say tbl underscore tickets. Okay, so in this way we are directly connected to this thing, right? Clear collect has some invalid argument. Why is that? Okay, because we changed like this thing, right? We changed its schema, so that is the reason why. Let me say rename this like this. If I rename this, right, rename this collection. So see, now it is fixed. It is saying like now it is correct. Okay, so we could let me just cut this code, paste it in this notepad. Okay, I'll save this code up here. Instead of cold tickets, I'll just use cold ticket. Okay, well and good. I'll use this collection name. Okay, so if I say run app on start, now just see run app on start. If I click on the see cold tickets, So you can see up here currently it doesn't contain any data because this ticket is completely blank. This is completely blank, so that is why like this code ticket is completely blank. But it will have this schema. It will have title column, index column, department assigned to these columns. It will have, okay. If you go up here, see view table. See, currently it is blank. Okay, well and good. Now in place of this, let me first instead of cold tickets, let me use cold ticket. Okay, and let me just copy this. Wherever cold tickets is written, I'll say cold ticket, cold ticket, cold ticket, cold ticket, cold ticket, ticket, ticket. Now see, this is giving error, right? Because status backend mein, what is the status? Status is a choice column. If you see, if I edit it, it is a choice column, right? Since it is a choice column, we can, this thing is record, so we have to write dot up here, okay, and have to write value, dot value. So this is correct. Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to change, so I'm changing that. This is done. Now date created. Okay, so date created means like it should be like the name in the backend is like this, date created. So since it doesn't contain underscore, the name is like this, date space created, and I have to use single quotes. Okay, again I'll provide this code in the description, don't worry about this. Okay, here I am saying filter, filter this, copy, filter this. Okay, correct thing. Again, date close doesn't have underscore in the backend, it has the spacing. Okay, so see, everything is now fixed, simple. Let me just show you the name, otherwise you won't get confused. So see, let me scroll it to the right hand side and see date created. See the space, there was no underscore, so that is why. And if you have a name in your, if you have a space in your names, so you have to use single quotes. It's very simple. Okay, so see, this is done. Yeah, we will see this error. Let me edit it. So see up here, it is saying this item dot status. Now status, again, like this is wrong. Okay, so I have to say status dot value. Okay, so now it is correct. This one is correct. Again, if I'll go up here also, priority, maybe spelling of priority is different in the backend. It is like this. Priority, see, priority is also data type is record, so I have to say dot value. Again, just the simple fixes you have to do. Now let us see what is this. This is saying see, date created me, it is giving issue, so you have to use single quotes. And if in backend I would have created date underscore created, so these would not would have given the issues. Okay. Assigned to, again assigned to have this like this space, single quotes. Okay, see, issue is fixed. I'll go up here, so it is saying created on date time format short date. So see, the issue is this date created. Simply I'll fix this, so you can exactly follow along with me and see wherever I'm getting this error, right? What I'm doing, the code is actually the same. I'm just changing like the name of this. Okay, just simple fixes I'm doing, nothing very complex. So see, since they contain a space in the backend, so these are done. Now let me just play the app since there is no data. All right, so all the issues here are fixed. Let me hit on this plus icon. Okay, now here if you see the code up here now, so I'm using this this code collect and then the name of this thing. Okay, so it's in place of this cold tickets. I can say table. I can directly connect to my this thing, table tickets. And see, priority, again I have to say priority dot value, status dot value, but dot value will be wrong. Okay, dot value will be wrong. Dot value will be wrong. So let me first hover over this. So it is saying department column in the data source you are expected a record, and I'm providing it a text. Okay, so the first thing is department column. So it is expecting a record in the backend. Okay, so but I am providing it at a text. So if I do something like this, dot selected, and proprietary also dot selected, and for status let's give new like this, value, I'll say value new. There are many ways like you can fix these. Okay, wait. So this is done, but like again this is wrong. Let me just copy this. This is how we have to do. Okay, since they are in the backend, they are records. Okay, so drop down dot again value. So this is fixed. Let me just copy this whole thing, and priority name is drop down 1. So instead of this, I'll say this. Okay, now date created doesn't exist, so I know date created doesn't exist, man. The name is like this. Inside single quote I'll write its name, and see everything is fixed. See, for priority you have to use, see, this priority description this status, these are choice column. So you see when we write priority dot value, so dot value is that thing, right? Value colon and then this value we will provide. Okay, then value colon for department, this see, this pink color is hovering over here. So this, the name of this drop down is drop down 1_1. Okay, and for status, for the first time when you will create a task, it will be new. So this is static, fine. And then we are notifying that there has been no error and it has been successfully created. So even we can test for like if it contains error or not. Here it is saying that last call tickets ID. So yeah, in place of this this code, I'll say table underscore tickets. Okay, I can use this, but see, initially since there is no ticket, right? So what is the last is nothing. So I have to write one code up here, if, and what I'll say, if table if is empty. Don't use this blank, right? Because we are checking for data source. So if is empty, if this is empty, I'm saying okay, then use 1, else use this. Simple code. If it is blank, then you use this. I know this will give delegation if you have more than 2000 record, but if you want me to fix this, yeah, we can. You can say something like this, sort. We have the sort, we have to do the sorting actually, and you have to write something like this first, then sort based on ID, and sort in descending order, and just close the bracket. That's it. Okay, again this will just extract the last row. This code will extract the last row. Okay, whatever will be the last row, since currently we do not have any row, but this code will extract the last row. Okay, whatever will be the last row, this code will extract that, and then it is giving us the ID. Okay, so firstly what we are doing is we are sorting it in descending order. Then we are taking, once like everything is sorted in descending order in this list, so we are taking the first row and its ID. Okay, so that is what we are doing up here. So this will not give you a delegation. It will, if you have 10,000 records, so it will, here you will see 10,001. The ID will, next ID will be 10,001. So this will not give you an issue, and this is pretty much done. Other things are fine. Here if you see the errors, let me fix this. Okay, let's fix this error up here. Instead of like count rows cold tickets, we will say instead we can directly use these data sources. But see, you will see delegation if you directly use data sources, right? That is why we have created the collection. Okay, that is the reason why we create collection cold tickets, so that you don't see those delegations up here. Okay, in place of this, again write cold ticket instead of cold tickets. If you see the error up here, because status is a choice column at the backend, so you have to write dot value. Again and again, I'm telling you, okay, the same thing. Here it should be dot value, here it should be cold ticket. Again, see, it should be cold ticket. This should be dot value. See, simple fixes. This should be dot value, and this should be cold ticket. Right, everything is fixed in this page, and click on this create task button. Whatever here we are collecting, right, but this the collection that we have created that doesn't know, right, so we have to again write up here clear collect, and we have to say cold ticket, ticket ticket. Okay, cold underscore ticket, I think the name was cold underscore ticket. Okay, cold underscore ticket will be again this thing, table ticket, tbl ticket. That's it. That also you have to do every time whenever you are even updating. Then also you have to update your collection. Okay, we have to update. And how do we update our collection? Simply we clear collect. This is how we update our collection. Very well and good. Fine. So see up here. Let me create one say Wi-Fi issue. Let's see if it is saving in the backend or not. Priority, let's say medium, and here say I'm facing Wi-Fi issue from past 2 days, something like this I'll say, and create tasks. Let's wait. There is some network issue when creating when using collect function generated as a, okay, so there is some issue, so let us fix that. So there is some network issue. Again, so sorry man, so sorry I've created. I'll go back. See, there is some network issue. Sometimes see this whenever you will try to like patch, it will give you an error. Okay, but okay man, I'm using, see, this is the wrong function. For collection we use collect. Okay, if you wanted to patch something in the backend, we will use patch function. Okay, so this is the function that we have to use, that is patch. Now patch network error. Okay, so this is fine. Even if you are seeing this error, once you will play, hit on create task, I think this error will be gone. Okay, network issue when using patch specified record was not found. Okay, it is saying there is some network issue. So let me go up here, click up here, let us see like what is the issue. It is saying a specified issue ticket was not found. So if you see this record, just right here defaults, here table ticket. Okay, I use comma up here. I'll just cut this code. See what I'm doing, I'm just doing control X control V. If you do like this, that error will be gone. So everything looks good actually. Okay, whenever you create a new row, you have to write like this default and inside bracket table tickets. So let me see that if we get the error now or not. Network error when using patch function. The specified column is generated by the server can't be specified. All right, let's see why this issue is coming up. Specified column. Just to I know what is my issue. One issue is that I have title column in my backend, so this shouldn't be blank because this is a required column. So I'll say new record. Just give anything like new record and title. One issue is this. Other is I don't see any other issue. We have date created, description, priority spelling of priority is correct. Yeah, priority. Okay, priority, description, department, this status, title, ID, owner. Rest all looks okay, right? Let me again control X, control V. All looks okay. Let me again hit on this create task, and again we are seeing this issue. Network error when using patch function. The specified column, which is specified column, is generated by the server. Okay, but which specified column is generated by the server? Okay, priority is a record. This is a record. Yeah, everything is fine actually. ID 1. Okay. The reason is, see, this ID will be automatically created, right? In backend we have named this like index ID. That is the issue. So sorry about this. Index ID. Let me just control X, control paste. So you can't provide ID here. Okay, it should be index. See, index ID I have created for myself. Here it was ID. And let me see if okay, I have deleted that code as well. Let me again write that code. If I'll say is empty what this table tickets. If this is empty, then use 1. Else again I have to write first sort this code is there, and then dot id plus 1, and here I'll say table tickets comma based on id column and descending order. That's pretty much it, and here I have to close the bracket. So there is no error. Let me just say control X, control paste, and there is no actual error. So let me now test it now. So everything looks good. Let's create a task, and this time hopefully the task should be created. Okay, the ticket has been created. Yeah, we were getting issues, but now all the issues are fixed. So you can see created on this date. Everything is created by Vinay. Ticket ID is 1. Priority is medium. I am facing an issue for last 2 days. This is a description. This is a subject assigned to. Currently, it is not being assigned to anyone. So these are well and good. Here also I'm getting an error. So we can completely fix this, right? We can say instead of using this, either you can use this cold tickets. Okay, cold ticket. Here also use like a cold ticket, and status should be dot value. Cold ticket, it should be dot value. Okay, here also it should be stated dot value, and here it should be ticket. So very simple fixes. This dot value. Okay, once like these are done, well and good. I'll click on this ticket. Instead of ID, I'll use index ID. Okay, better like use the ID column which you have created, use that. And here see owner, here priority. So everything is working, right? Everything is working. So we have connected to SharePoint. Okay, and here I am getting the ticket. Let me save this app. Sometimes what happens is the whole thing hangs, and whatever progress we did will be lost. So it's better to like save it every time. Anyways, in setting for after every 2 minutes it automatically saves, but it's better to save it manually once. Okay, now let me hit on this next icon, and once I click on this, here I need to fix some things. So here see, first thing it is saying, since now there is no cold tickets, there is this thing in place of ID. I'll say index ID. Okay, I'll not use ID anywhere. Let's say where ID comment. Okay, this is fine. Okay, there is one more issue. Where is that? Where status. So where status is closed. Okay, so again where status you have to use dot value. Okay, where status dot value. Maybe when we come from here, right, we are creating some variables, right? We are creating like this. See, where status is this item dot status. If you do something like this dot value, just do like this. For department also use dot value here. Okay, and where is that priority? Spelling of priority is correct, yeah. Let me again type like this, priority and dot value. Just do like this. Okay, just do like this, otherwise you will have to change it. Once you like do like this, right, hit on next. Now here I am seeing this error, right? Now I'll not see. Again I have to click edit, and I'll just remove dot value from here. Okay, now I do not have to see, otherwise I have to like fix this everything. All of these are fixed. Okay, now I'll go to the save button, and what I'm saying up here, I'm saying drop down 5 blah blah blah. This is since there is no cold ticket in the backend, we are directly patching it to the source, that is our table ticket. Okay, and look up this thing, table tickets, and in place of ID I'll use index ID. Okay, priority again, see, since priority is that column, so I'll have to write value. It is a choice column, so you have to save choice column like this. Department again is a choice column, so again I have to just copy this part, paste it up here. I'll close at the end. Okay, status is again the choice column. I'll paste it up here, close it up here. That's it. Assign to, since there is no date close, date space close, the name is like that, date space close, so I'll use single quote, paste it up here. Comment is fine. Let me hover over this, and one more column which is utmost necessary, that is title. You have to give title, and here I'll say updated record. Okay, so title I have to provide. Is there any other issue? Assigned to, it is saying there is no assigned to in the backend. I know underscore should not be there, it should be like this. Okay, now what issue we have? If has some invalid argument. Yeah, in second parameter it has some invalid argument. So the first one, what I was doing is look up if it is closed. Okay, then this thing we are doing. Okay, let me simply copy this code. Okay, and here I'll paste before this, and I'll increase the size of it. I'll compare this to, I need priority here, department here, status here, assigned to, comment. I don't need this one. Okay, actually I just don't need this one. Now I'll remove this patch code, and see, don't worry, I'll provide all of these code in the description. I'll say in this screen you have to paste this code, inside this button you have to paste this code, and the description every code will be there. Anyways, you can take a screenshot of this code and you can just use the same code. It might be that these things name will be different. Okay, so just keep a note of it. These can be different, so just map it properly based on this. And before watching, if you are directly jump to this video, I would recommend watch the previous, like the first part of this video, then come to this one, then and then only you will understand this video. Okay, and if you are enjoying this video till now, okay, so don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and you can comment if you want these kind of video, you can comment in the description comment section. Okay, so this is like this will update our record very well and good. Everything looks pretty much good. Okay, alright, so let us say this ticket ID is 1, created on, closed. Let me change it to on hold, and currently I'll say currently on hold. I'll give like this internal comment. Priority I'll change it to high. Let's say I'll assign it to Liam, and I will hit on save. Let us see if it is updating. So see, it is updating, but see, one issue we did here. See, assigned to, I'm not seeing. Status is not changing. Why is that? Reason very simple. I'll go up here. Here, when I save, right, what I was telling you, whatever changes you do it in your table tickets, right, your collection doesn't know, right? Again, you have to do clear collect. You have to update your collection as well. Again, I have to write cold ticket and comma, then after this table tickets. That's this I have to mandatorily do. Okay, if I don't do like this, it will not get updated. This collection will not get updated. I'll click on save, and see, this time on hold 1. See, this is assigned to Liam. The red this bar I'm seeing, since this is on hold, and in this filter section I'll see on hold. So I'm not seeing any other ticket, but yeah, I'm seeing this one. Let me create one more ticket. This time I'll say, instead of Wi-Fi issue, I'll say monitor issue. Okay, monitor issue. red line in monitor, I'll say red line and monitor. Okay, and I'll say this is like should go to facility, the priority will be low, create task, and it will come inside new ticket, right? So if I go to see this all tickets, I'll see both the tickets up here. If I go to new ticket, so new ticket open today, so these were open today. Any ticket closed today? No. So let me like close this one. Let me firstly say closed, assign to, let's say, Vinay. Okay, Vinay is the person who created this, so let's assign to Ali. Okay, priority is fine, closed, internal comment, issue fix, I'll say. Okay, I'll click on like save. Once I click on save, so see green icon I'm seeing. If I click on next, so close date came, created date came, ticket 2, the form got disabled. Well and good. I'll go back. Ticket open today. So these are the tickets which were open today, but the one that is closed is this one. In open today, I'll see this one also, right? This is correct. Don't say that why this ticket I am seeing up here today. Reason being because it was open today, right? The date is 10. Today is 10. So it is open today. So that is why I am seeing up here. Ticket older than 3 days. Currently, like there is no way I can do that if I'm using SharePoint. So I have to wait for 3 days. So if like this ticket goes beyond 3 days, so yeah, I'll see this ticket up here. Ticket closed today, so this is the one that is being ticket closed. Okay, not today, but ticket, all the ticket which are being closed, I'll see up here. All the tickets which are on hold, I'll see up here. All the tickets which are in progress, I'll see up here. New tickets, I'll see up here. And all the tickets, I'll see up here. Okay, so this is how we connect to our SharePoint list. Let me go to my SharePoint list. See, I am seeing this data up here, right? So the data is updating here properly. So this is how you have to like you can connect to share this thing. Let me just publish this app once before like ending this video. Let me just publish and see and publish whether it is giving issues or not, or whether everything is working fine or not. Okay, so let's wait for the new version of the app. So this time you will not see like 6 ticket, 4 ticket, whatever ticket you have in your backend, you will see those tickets. Okay. Just wait. See. So firstly it fetched from the backend. So 2 tickets were in the backend, right? One was closed, one was on hold, and okay, if I'll go up here, one was closed, one was on hold. So right, all ticket, I can create new ticket from here. So here this time I'll say need Power BI desktop. I'll say something like that. It is an IT priority high for project work, I'll say. And I'll create task. And we'll wait. See, ticket has been created successfully. Here I can see my ticket. Inside my new ticket, I'll see new ticket 1, closed 1, hold 1. Okay, I'll go to on this thing. I can edit. Let me just edit it. Let's change it to in progress. Let's say it is being assigned to Shekhar. Okay, IT, everything is fine, working on it. Let's say installing. Please wait for 2 hours. Okay, I'll give like this comment. I'll click on save, and here you can see up here it is assigned to Shekhar, this thing. Okay, so in progress is 1 now. There is no new ticket open today. These all the tickets are open today, so I'm seeing all the tickets up here. Older than 3 days, no closed today. This one is closed today. All tickets which are closed are coming up here. All tickets which are on hold are coming up here. All in progress, new tickets, all tickets. So everything, each and everything is working right here also. If you face any issues, you can just comment it. You can always mail me at lastminutescode@gmail.com. I'll definitely reply you. I reply you guys. Okay, so I'll definitely reply you. Just share your screenshot wherever you are facing issues. Okay, just share the screenshot and everything, and I'll definitely reply you. You can have one-on-one session with me on TopMate as well. So if you don't know what TopMate is, so let me just open my TopMate. So this is the interface for TopMate. So you can like have one-on-one session with me on TopMate. So this is like the type of services I give here. So like if you need consulting on your projects, so you can book 1 hour session, 30-minute session. Okay. If you need training in Power Apps for like a 1 day 2 day training, so you can book this 1 hour session. If you need approaches for your projects, so you can book this session. Okay. So there are multiple, you can DM me. Okay. If you have any like project related doubts, so you can DM me. There are multiple like this 4 or 5 services I have. You can book here. And you can always mail me. Okay. I'll reply to your mails, so don't worry about that. I'll reply to your mails. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And here we have completed this project, right? Again, like if you will say that we add some email functionalities and all, so we can do that. Okay. If I'll do in this video again, this will go like it will be way too big video. Again, you can make that functionality, right? If you click up here, wait, if you click up here in the save button, just see what let me go up here, and here in this edit mode, I'll say here what you need to do after this. Once like this is patch notification is sent, so after this you can go to data section. Okay. There is one connector called Outlook. Okay, firstly click on add data, and here you can search for Outlook connector. Okay, Outlook 365, Office 365 Outlook connector. See this is very easy to use. Okay. Once you will add this Outlook connector up here. Okay, so you can use Outlook mail services. Okay, see how easy it is to send mail. So let me just show you, otherwise you will say I missed this part. Okay, I'll say Outlook 365, and here there should be send mail something. Okay, let me just type like this: Outlook 365, Office 365 Outlook dot send mail. I'll say here, see send email version 2, version 1. You can check like both. Version 2 will be better. Okay, use version 2. Once you like use like this, let me first copy this from here, and okay, put semicolon up here. After this I'll write, so that I'll get like here you see at the top. Let me decrease its size. So see at the top I'll see the syntax. So first thing it is asking to which person you want to send the mail. You can make this dynamic if you have a manager. Let's say your manager is Vinay. So I'll use my last minute's code@gmail.com mail. So I need to send the mail to this person. Okay, and the subject I'll say ticket has been updated. Please check, or ticket has been updated. And if you wanted to make this dynamic, you can say, okay, instead of this, ticket has been updated for, or what I'll say is created by, right? So ticket has been updated for, and I'll add ampersand sign here, and see this name this created by name should come. Okay, this person name. So I'll copy this label. I'll open this and paste it up here. So I'll say ticket has been or instead of let's say Vinay's ticket has been updated. Okay, we will say something like this. So the Vinay Kanswas. So here see double quote, then apostrophe s, ticket has been updated. I'll say something like this. Okay, and I'll remove this. I'll put a comma up here. So see body, it is asking like body, what body you have to provide. So here I'll say firstly again I'll paste it dot text. Okay, here I have missed dot text, otherwise like it will not work. So dot text here, I'll say name of the manager, hi. Let's say my manager name is Akash. Okay, so hi Akash, and hi Akash, ticket for, okay, Vinay, this person name will come in, so just add has been updated, now the new priority is, then the priority should come from like this drop down. So I'll copy the name of this drop down, I'll go up here, okay, and paste it up here, dot selected dot value, I'll do something like that, okay. And okay, let's, the new priority is this, and okay, let's add and the ticket has been assigned to and the assignee assigned to which person, assigned to, let's say, Liam. So I'll copy this drop down, the name of this drop down, okay, open up here, assigned to this person, okay, something like this I can say, selected dot value, and this is it, okay. And at last I'll say thank you, okay. So this is done, this is done, right? So let me just save this, and let me play this. Let's change from Liam to Kevin. Let's change the priority from this to medium, okay. We can even send ticket status department, everything we can send in mail. Let me click on save, let me open my Gmail, and let us see that am I getting any mail or not. So see, I received this mail. Below mails I have hidden, okay. So yeah, so I'm seeing this mail, okay. Hi Akash, today ticket for Vinay Console. See this Vinay's name. So Vinay Console's ticket has been updated. Ticket for Vinay has been updated. Now the priority is medium. We can make this bold. Everything we can do. The ticket has been assigned to Kevin. Thank you. Okay, we can do next line, everything. This whole email thing we can edit, but just giving you an example like how to send mail, okay. Once you like update, so this mail feature is also added. So this we will keep this video till here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, again, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video. I'm open to comments, okay. You can share your feedback, what all videos you want to see in the future, you can comment that, okay. So I'll try to make the videos on those topics. Most of you are saying that make a video on Power App and Power App model driven app and Power BI. So yeah, very soon I'll make videos on that. I'm working on the content part firstly, so very soon I'll make videos on that too, on those topics too. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.